Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving directly into how to use Trello's Agile Metrics Power-Up, your tool to streamline your project management. First up, you need to enable the Agile Metrics Power-Up. Navigate to your Trello board menu, click on Power-Ups, then find and enable Agile Metrics. This is critical because it unlocks all the Agile tooling you'll need. Now that we've done that, it's time to configure your Power-Up. Click on the new Agile Metrics button on your board menu, then select Settings. Here, you can customize your metrics to fit your project needs. The reason we do this is to ensure that the Power-Up generates data that's relevant and helpful to your specific project. Next, let's start using the features. Agile Metrics allows you to track your team's velocity, burn down, and cumulative flow. To use these, simply click on Agile Metrics and then choose the metric you want to view. This helps us because it gives us real-time insights into our project progress and team performance. Let me explain why this matters. Agile Metrics Power-Up allows for better project visibility. It keeps your team aligned on goals and identifies bottlenecks in your workflow, leading to more efficient project management. Lastly, remember to regularly check these metrics and adjust your project plans accordingly. Agile is all about adaptability, and these metrics help you stay flexible and responsive. And that wraps up our guide to using Trello's Agile Metrics Power-Up. Remember, the key to successful project management is continuously monitoring and adapting your strategies. Thanks for tuning in.